Happy New Year, everyone. Adam Hughes here from Fredericton, New Brunswick. Just wondering if anybody's got a 2019 Ford Escape. Having trouble after shutting it off. I can hear a humming noise right here in the dash part of it. Stopped now, but I don't know if that's real serious or not. But had the vehicle for about a year now. Been a good little vehicle. Smashed it up last January. I ended up backing into a sign there and it smashed that part and down around there and down the bottom. $1,600 to fix. Got it fixed, and RBC decided to jump my insurance from $94 a month to $234, so I dropped them. And first accident I had in about 7 or 8 years, so went with Days of Jardines and Fredericton. They're really good if you're looking for it. I find them bigger insurance companies, once you have a little accident or something, then they go right to town on you. But anyway, RBC was good for the 10 years until that, but that's all I have to say about them. But yeah, it's been a good vehicle. If anybody knows that humming noise, if it's electrical or if it's anything real important, let me know. So I'd like to get it fixed. But yeah, everybody, I hope you all have a good new year. I really don't make any New Year's resolutions. It's just a continuation on from last year, but my plan is to get a little bit healthier. I've lost 10-15 pounds so far here at the Mactaquac Dam. Everybody's just getting off work here. Beautiful time of the year. Love coming out here, always nice and quiet. But anyway, yeah, like I was saying, I plan on getting healthier, losing more weight, watching my diet a bit better, blah 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 blah. You know one thing about life, it's the same old shit a lot of the time, but tomorrow's just a continuation on from today. That's all I've ever seen, you know, life as. Do the best you can, don't hurt people, be honest. Oh, I guess I should work on that part sometime. Anyway, no, it's all good. But God bless you all, and you know, Happy New Year, and cry out to God if you're having struggles in your life with that, whatever it is. I've been over close to 15 years sober now, so I thank God for help with that. I can actually go out to a bar or a club. I don't go to those places very often, maybe Christmas party or something, but when I do go to them, I don't have to have alcohol or nothing there. So, but once in a while, I go out just to kind of with co-workers or whatever, and you know, just to kind of let loose, have a little bit of a relaxation time. So, but a lot of people say God's not real, but you know, what else is there to really believe in, I guess? I believe in God. Well, thanks for watching anyway. Happy New Year all, and if anybody knows what the electrical problem is in this vehicle, let me know. Thank you.